All right, guys. So we got the Bakcou Kodiak all-wheel drive e-bike. Got it all put together. Got all the bells and whistles on it. So just want to briefly go over it. We got the phone mount here. We just got set up. Nice central location for it. This got all the information once it's turned on. Shows you everything, speed, what charge you have left on the battery, all that. We got a really nice light here. In order to get the free shipping on the bike, you pretty much have to buy that thing, which costs about $140. So kind of weird they make you do that, but it seems like a really strong light. I got the light with a rechargeable battery pack here I secured to the center of the frame. And then we got our gun mount. Since we're going to be taking this turkey hunting tomorrow, need a place for the shotgun. Didn't want to have it on my back. And here's that screen. So it goes about 28 miles an hour, full speed, going downhill a little bit. You got what amount charge you have left, the voltage. This is the amount of pedal assist. So you can adjust that up or down. So while you're pedaling, it helps add more power from the bike to just give you that pedal assist, which is pretty neat. So throttles here. It's got obviously your front and rear brakes. And then it's got these 500 watt Bafang motors. You got one in the front and one at the rear. So the big difference between this bike and the other Bakcou e-bikes is this one has the dual motors, while the Mule and Scout and the other bikes mostly have a mid-drive motor instead. So not sure what the big difference is with that. This one's supposed to be able to go 80 miles on a full charge. It's a 25 amp battery compared to the max battery on the Mule and Scout and the other models is I believe 21 watt. So this is a bigger battery than the other models they have, but this bike is more reasonably priced. This one I got for about $3,000. The other bikes roughly cost $4,700 for the Mule, $6,000 for the Scout, give or take, depending on if you're getting it during a sales season or whatnot. So I also added these pannier bags. These were about $25 on Amazon, and it comes with waterproof cover, good storage, pretty secure. Keep a couple tools on this side. One of the other cool things it's got is the shock that it has for the seat. Because it's not the full suspension bike, it does have a shock for the seat, so when you're going over bumps, at least you're getting a little bit more cushion, a little more relief. I mean, it's a really nice bike. I've driven it to work, which is about 1.5 miles from my house, taking it on some trails, hopping some curbs. It does really well. We'll really put it to the test tomorrow. It'll be going through maybe 6 or 7 miles of just trail riding through mud, snow, sleet, ice, whatnot. So really going to see what this thing can do tomorrow. It's a bit heavy, but all these e-bikes are pretty heavy in general. So we'll see how it does. I'd like to pair this with the truck, since we got the rooftop tent. It'd be a really fun addition for doing camping trips for a couple days, couple nights. Be able to take this thing out and ride it around, so that I don't have to put the whole tent system back together, break everything down, set it back up, make it a lot easier to do everything. So stay tuned. We'll take the GoPro out tomorrow, test it out, and see what it can really do.